Hello everyone. Today we are going to continue our practice every day to playing chess in Blitz. Let's go 3 plus 2 and we have the black pieces. Okay, e4. We're going to play the French defense with the move d5. Next move, okay. d4 we're going to d5. Okay, our opponents think what to do at the second move. Okay, so d4 we're going to put the move d5, going to the French defense, e5, the advanced variation, and in this position we play the move c5, the Prussian center, so none of them. So first interesting move at the fourth move. So normally white play the move c3, but now knight f3, and we can take it. And let's think what we can do. Maybe queen b6. And going to the plan that I explained you to the video in the French defense. Okay, b3. First French moves. So let's play the move bishop d7. We're going to exchange this bad bishop against this good bishop at this square. And let's play the move bishop b5. Takes with takes. Okay, not c3. Not c3, maybe we can play just the move queen c6. Just play a move. So now in this position, we can go into the move knight d7, h6 to f5. Now we're going to get pressure on the d4 pawn. So okay, castle. Now I go to knight h6. I don't care about bishop takes h6 because I just take it. So my king can castle with the bishop on g7, etc. So knight a4, very interesting moves. So he wants to attack the c5 pawns. Okay, very interesting. Now I play the move knight f5 because if he play the move knight takes, I can just take some c5, pawn takes, knight c3, pawn takes, and then I just takes the knight. And the structure of white pawn is very bad. So queen d2, he protects his bishop. Maybe in this position I can takes or playing the move c4. Okay, so maybe I will playing maybe the move knight d7. Just getting protect to the c5 pawn of white getting pressure, but I defend it. Okay, now we are going to play rook c8, bishop e7, and castle. At the next move, so c3 is a move. So I will play bishop e7. But maybe in this position, the most logical move is to play just rook e1, okay, bishop e7, and put the rook on the file. But okay, pawn takes, very strange. Okay, I just takes this. Queen takes, I will takes with the knight. Takes, I will maybe takes with the queen. Because now you can see that the black square is very weak. So bishop versus knight, I will maybe have the advantage. So the pawn e5 is weak, so it's the same color of my bishop. Now rook d1. Okay, maybe c4 is possible at some point. Maybe I will play the move king e7. Just consolidate my position. Put the rook on d8. Maybe playing the move b5, b4 to fix the pawn. Knight g5, okay, not the real move. h6, it has to go here. And then I can go for bishop d4 and rook c8 and attacking this weak pawn with the move rook c8. Maybe bishop d4 at some point. a3, interesting moves. And maybe he thinks that in this position, rook a1, think that he is going to attack his pawns, but he missed that. I can have the move bishop c5 with protect the a7 pawns. So bishop c5, getting pressure and protects the a7 pawns. Okay, b4. Okay, b4, he just wants to take the a7 pawns, but this move is very weak after the move bishop b6. Now you can see that the b4 pawn is too weak. So rook c4 and rook c8 is coming to attack this. Knight d2, just blunder, just takes the pawn. And now we're completely winning and blundering the rook. My opponent totally blunder. So resign. After the game, let's analyze the game and see what we missed. Okay, let's see our mistake in this position was completely winning. We're good and bishop b5, it's a mistake. However, okay, maybe not c6. Okay, the best move in this position. Okay, maybe here knight h6 is a mistake. Maybe pawn takes. Okay, I think bishop takes d4 is the. I don't like it too much in this position. Okay, bishop c5 and then. Okay, I may have only two mistakes against this guy. And after the game, let's see the game. Okay, that the game is really okay. b3 is very strange. Okay, just play the move bishop d7. And then okay, that the plan is not good in this position. Okay, knight 6 just blunder. Okay, and the game is very good in this position. Maybe queen c5 is good or not. Well, yes, queen c5 because in this position the bishop is better than the knight. You can see that the this square is are very weak. So rook d1 and then he completely blunder with the move a3 and the position finished in this position and blunder the rook. That's it for this video and thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye bye.